Hey, garden lovers, August is here, and if you're in Zone 7, it's the perfect time to plan your next planting adventure. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, stick around because today, I'm going to reveal the best plants you should be putting in the ground this month to keep your garden thriving. Trust me, you won't want to miss these tips. And hey, if you've ever wondered what you could plant now to get a head start on a beautiful fall garden, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. 1. Vegetables. Let's talk about cool season vegetables. August is a fantastic time to plant vegetables that thrive in cooler weather. Think about leafy greens like spinach and kale. These veggies love the cooler temperatures of late summer and will be ready to harvest before the first frost hits. Imagine picking fresh, crisp spinach leaves for your salads straight from your garden. Delicious, right? Don't forget about root vegetables like carrots and beets. They grow quickly and can tolerate the cooler weather, giving you fresh produce well into the fall. Plus, they're super easy to grow. Just make sure they get plenty of water and a little love. And pro tip, thinning your carrot seedlings will help them grow bigger and sweeter. So don't be afraid to give them a little space.
2. Fall blooming flowers.
Next, let's bring some color to your garden with fall blooming flowers. Chrysanthemums, or mums for short, are a must plant in August. They come in various colors and will add a beautiful splash of color to your garden when everything else starts to fade. Picture your garden bursting with vibrant reds, yellows, and purples as the seasons change. Another great option is asters. These lovely flowers are hardy and will continue to bloom until the first frost. They're perfect for attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies, which is always a bonus for any garden. Plus, they're low maintenance, just plant them in a sunny spot, water them regularly, and watch them thrive. 3. Perennials for year-round beauty. For those looking to invest in long-term beauty, consider planting perennials. August is an ideal time to plant perennials like coniflowers and black-eyed Susans. These plants will establish their roots before winter and come back stronger year after year. Think of them as an investment in your garden's future. Hostas are another excellent choice. They thrive in the shade and are incredibly low maintenance. Once established, they can provide lush, green foliage throughout the growing season. And the best part, they come in a variety of leaf colors and patterns, adding depth and texture to your garden. 4. Herbs for the kitchen. Don't forget about herbs. August is a great time to plant herbs like cilantro and dill quickly and will give you a fresh supply for your kitchen. Imagine stepping out to your garden to grab a handful of fresh herbs for your meals. It's a game changer. Fresh cilantro in your salsa or dill in your pickles, the flavors are unbeatable. Basil is another great herb to plant now. Even though it's typically a summer herb, planting it in August ensures you get another burst of fresh basil before the cooler weather sets in. Plus, you can always bring it indoors in a pot to extend
5.
its growing season.
Preparing for fall and winter.
Lastly, think about planting cover crops like clover or rye. These plants will protect and enrich your soil over the winter, setting you up for an even better garden next year. They're great for preventing weeds and erosion, and they'll add valuable nutrients back into your soil. Just imagine starting your spring planting with nutrient-rich, well-prepared soil. Your plants will thank you. Here's a bonus tip, garlic. Plant garlic in the fall for a summer harvest. Simply separate the cloves, plant them pointy side up about 2 inches deep, and wait. By next summer, you'll have a bountiful garlic harvest. This is the perfect time to plant a variety of vegetables, flowers, perennials, and herbs in Zone 7. Get out there, enjoy the sunshine, and give your garden the boost it needs. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, share your August planting plans in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're growing. Happy gardening!